another short video. I just wanted to make this video real quick with talking about another piece of gear. Not a camera today, guys. Just something that I've come across my path more so out of necessity than any other reason. And you know, there was two reasons for making this video. One was to discuss this piece of gear and also to test out some new gear that just came into the studio, which is the Rode Wireless Go mic. I don't know if you can see that. I have it right here on my lapel and on the top of my EOS R mirrorless camera from Canon. So kind of just a dual purpose video here, but the piece of gear that I want to show you guys, which I'm sure you already know because you saw the title, is the new, well not new, but new to me, Thinktank Mirrorless Mover 20. This is a great little alternative for, especially when I'm shooting my Fuji gear and I don't want to carry a huge bag. You know, Thinktank makes a lot of great solutions for a lot of different, you know, camera systems. And, you know, I have some. I have, right here, I have the, what is this, the Retrospective 20. But this is a larger bag. This is definitely one of your larger bags for a full, you know, DSLR, mirror, you know, standard DSLR style camera, you know, 70 to 200 millimeter lens, and, you know, everything else in between that, you know, fits like that. And it definitely has its purpose. This bag here has served its purpose well for me and has been on basically almost every wedding that I've gone on, as well as engagement shoots and, you know, all kinds of things. And it does a great job, but I find myself scaling down. The EOS R is a very small camera when it comes to, you know, full frame cameras, and I'm primarily a Fuji shooter. You know, I barely use my Nikons. I use my Nikons, you know, sometimes on wedding day, but I find myself more so, you know, shooting. You know, that's a bigger bag. You also have the old style, you know, backpack style bags, and this is a great bag as well. But I need to slim down, and this little Thinktank Mirrorless Mover 20 is amazing. So, you know, first of all, you have this really great little deployment system where they're magnets, two little magnets on the top that keeps the top flap closed. With that, you have a zipper enclosure on the top, and, you know, obviously you can see throughout, you know, the video here that I have some, you know, images, but, you know, nice little, you know, Velcro pocket up top here where, you know, I can keep some spare batteries if that's when I, you know, want to use some spare batteries. But, you know, inside here, I mean, this is what I have right now, just packed in this one. I have, you know, Fujifilm's 90mm f2. I have, you know, a Godox TT350 Fuji, you know, Fuji hot shoe for some flash work. You know, something small. This is a mirrorless mover. It's a mover bag. This is a street photographer's bag. You know, a quick little, you're going out with the family and you need something small, but you're not sure that you just want to dedicate one lens today. You want to bring something else. I have the XT3 with the 16mm 2.8, the new 16mm lens. I have that in there. You know, three little pockets here. It also has a you know, a cell phone divider. If you choose to use that, that's fine. In the front here, you know, you have another pocket that zips up. You know, and here I have, you know, again, you can put your cell phone in here. You could put extra memory cards in here. Right now, I just have the OmniCharge battery pack. This thing is great. If you guys haven't checked these out, this is amazing. They come in all different sizes. They're super rugged. It's not your standard battery style, you know, battery charger. You know, it plugs in on the side. You can charge it. You know, you can charge it via USB, or you can charge it via, you know, regular outlet. It does have an outlet option here for powering something like a strobe light or a laptop computer. Two USBs on the side, and it also has a digital display on the front, which you know, is amazing in its own right. I'll see if you guys can. I don't even know if you'll be able to get that, but check these out. But this is a great little company. I didn't mean to go off on a rant on that, but again, now you have this. You know, you have a front pocket here, and you know, Thinktank thinks of everything. They give you a rain cover. Almost looks like a glorified shower cap. No, I'm not going to stick it on my head. I know you guys would like to see that. But yeah, it looks like a glorified shower cap that could go over the whole bag. A little lanyard hole, and there's two small pockets here. You have some, you have an expandable pocket here. It's not the biggest pocket, but it is something. And as well on this side. It also has a little loop in the back that if you choose to, you know, throw a belt through that, you could. I don't know why you would, but, and a top handle. But this thing is great, man. This is just definitely a great solution for something that I've been looking for. I often take trips to New York City or Philadelphia and do some street photography. And I always have this debate, you know, it's usually a short debate, but am I bringing my X-T3? Am I bringing my X100F? Am I bringing my, you know, X Pro 2? Am I putting the 18mm lens on there? Am I bringing a bigger 23 1.4? Am I bringing the you know, 27mm pancake? Am I bringing this new 16? Sometimes I'm like, all right, you know, I want to have, you know, a street lens. I want something wide and something that I can shoot fast and it's quick to focus. But then there's sometimes where me and my wife are in a park and I'm looking forward to I'd love to take a nice portrait. And, you know, obviously I don't want to take a portrait with a wide angle lens and distort her, you know, her features and stuff. So I'm left like, okay, well, I'd really like to pack my Nikon 35.95. I'd really like to pack my 90, or I'd really like to pack my 56 1.2. And I'm not going to make her carry it in her handbag, what she used to do. And I'm like, hey, babe, can I get that lens from you? It's a hassle. And, you know, with lens caps and everything else, it's just nice to have this little bag here that I can put everything in and just make it work. So really looking forward to that. And again, you know, check out the Instagram page, check out my website. Also, something new, I'd appreciate it if you guys check it out, subscribe to the channel, but below in the links here, we're doing something new. I signed up for, it's a new website called kit.com. And for all you that are interested in all the gear that I show you and that I use on a daily basis, every piece of gear that I use for the most part is linked in there with different kits. And you could go through and see all my cameras, all my adapters, all my lenses, all the extra accessories that I use, like lighting, you know, anything to do with photography, the bags, this bag, it's all going to be there, and there's direct links. And, you know, obviously if you guys purchase through there, it comes right from, I believe that one's linked to Amazon.com. And obviously, you know, it helps me out a little bit, it helps this channel out so I can keep, you know, providing you guys some content. So, thanks a lot for tuning in, and thank you for checking out the Mirrorless 20, Mirrorless Mover 20. I'm not affiliated with Thinktank whatsoever, so I just do this on my own because I really appreciate this little bag, and it was definitely an answer. This thing is going to be going with me on a few trips that I have coming up, where I'm just going to be bringing the X-T3 and maybe a lens or two, and that's going to be my kit for vacation, and I'm really looking forward to using it because it is awesome. Oh, another thing I wanted to tell you guys, these clips here, they come on and off, and this is extendable. So the strap can be extended all the way down. I mean, that's pretty large. Just, you know, so you guys know, I'm like 250 pounds, I'm 6 foot, and this thing goes around me just fine, or I can crossbody, you know, hold it, and it's right below my hip area, and it's perfect for just reaching in and grabbing and going to shoot. So thanks a lot, guys. Please check out the links below, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.